In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a company on a LinkedIn post efficiently and seamlessly. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just need a quick refresher, this guide will show you exactly how to ensure your posts are impactful and reach the intended audience. Let's dive in and cover everything you need to know. First, head over to linkedin.com. This is your starting point for accessing all of LinkedIn's features, including crafting posts. At the top right, you'll see options to log in. You can choose to sign in using Google or Microsoft credentials, or simply stick with your email address and password. If you've taken a step towards enhanced security, LinkedIn might ask you to enter a code from your phone. This two-factor authentication ensures that your account remains safe, especially on a professional platform like this. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your LinkedIn homepage where all your connections and updates await. Right at the top of your homepage, you'll find a clearly marked option that says Start a Post. Click on it to start crafting your new message. If your intention is to make a comment on another user's post instead, you'll just need to click the comment button found beneath their post, which serves the same function. Now, with the text box open, you can begin typing your message as you normally would. This is where tagging comes into play. When you reach the point in your message where you'd like to include a company tag, type that symbol. Immediately following this symbol, begin typing the name of the company you want to tag. For instance, if you're aiming to tag LinkedIn itself, simply type LinkedIn. As you start typing, LinkedIn cleverly generates a drop-down list of relevant suggestions. This smart feature helps you save time and ensures you're selecting the correct entity among similarly named pages. Once the drop-down list appears, find and select the correct company from those suggestions. This not only speeds up the process but also eliminates any chances of mistaken identity or incorrect tagging. With the company tagged, you can proceed to finish typing the rest of your post. Once you're happy with how everything looks and reads, go ahead and click the Post button. Your newly crafted message will now be live on LinkedIn, complete with the tag company, which will stand out in bold font within the text. This makes it more visually prominent to your audience. And just like that, you've successfully mastered the art of tagging companies in your LinkedIn posts. Remember, a well-tagged post not only highlights the companies involved but also increases engagement and visibility among your network. Happy posting, and see you next time.